Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Gemini CLI. First, you'll need to install the necessary Python packages. Open your terminal and use pip to get the Gemini library. Next, head over to Google AI Studio to generate your personal API key. This key is crucial for authentication. Once you have it, set it as an environment variable on your system for easy access. Now that you have your API key, it's time to authenticate. Run the Gemini configure command in your terminal. This will guide you through linking your API key with the CLI. It's important to verify that your key is correctly recognized. This step ensures that the CLI has the proper access to interact with the Gemini models, allowing for smooth operation. With your CLI configured, let's try a basic command to ensure everything works. You can ask the Gemini model a simple question directly from your terminal. This initial test confirms your setup is functional. Experiment with different prompts to see how the model responds. Understanding the command structure will help you utilize its full potential for various tasks. Beyond basic queries, the Gemini CLI offers advanced features. You can customize model parameters like temperature or maximum output tokens for more control. To learn more, use the help command for any specific function. This will provide detailed information and examples. Explore different model versions to find the best fit for your specific needs and projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.